Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have an informative topic to discuss. We'll be sharing with you a tutorial or a step-by-step guide on how to post a job on Seek.com in 2023. So if you're interested about this or if you're ready to take your career to the next level, let's just dive right into it and make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section, simply type seek.com and hit the enter button. Of course, if you have an account, make sure to simply go and log in into your account. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to go and create your account. Of course, you can go log in or create your account with some options like Google, Facebook, and maybe some other options you may have there. So make sure to use them if you want, or if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or logging into your account. Of course, if you want to fill everything by your own, you'll have to fill the required information such as your name, email address, and password. If you're just creating your account, make sure it's important to create a strong password and memorable password to keep your account secure. And of course, you'll have to define, as an example, your job preferences if you want to post a job. So once you have your Seek.com account, it's time to define your job preferences. So click on my, as an example, your name at the top right corner and click Add My Profile or Profile, and that will take you to this option. So here's an example. If you're looking for a job, you can simply go and add or this details as personal summary, career history, education, license and certifications, skills, languages, resume, and of course, you can even edit your preferences if you want to. So of course, as you can see, availability, preferred work types, preferred location, right to work, salary expectations, classifications of interest, and approachability. And of course, you can even go and add some things. So you can add this to your profile strength. You can even add your profile visibility if other people you want them to see your account or your profile. So of course, you can simply open a new tab and type seek post or post the job as an example. And as you can see, how do I post a job? So simply we can follow these simple instructions from here, or we can simply go and check for the job ads right away. So let's just close this as an example. As you can see, this article will show you how to post a job. So as an example, we signed in into our account. Now click on add or create a job ad. So simply here, as you can see, you will be able to choose or find great candidates with our basic ad. As you can see, you can choose the classical one, or you can choose the standout one or the premium one. And as you can see, find the right candidates with the right ad. No matter what role you're trying to fill, there is an opportunity to help you attract and engage with candidates. So simply here, let's just choose the classic one as an example for you. You can go and choose the premium if you want to, or choose whatever suits you as an example. So here you can simply go and fill your email address and password again, and click on register. And if you already have an account, simply click on sign in and sign in into your account. So once you created your accounts, you will have to fill some information. As example, the given name. For me, I'm just going to post some random stuff. But for you, of course, make sure to add some accurate stuff. And of course, the phone number. Let me just add, I don't know, some random thing here, and make sure to add the country here and click on create account as example. And of course, once you click on create account, you'll have to wait a bit until your account is created, and then you'll be able to start posting your job. And of course, you can go and do a lot of other stuff here. So let's just wait. As you can see now, we'll have to go and post a job. So as an example, you'll have, of course, first of all, to verify your account to post your first job ad. So please go to your email as an example. So we can simply, I'm just going to my email here, and I'll have to click here as an example and confirm my email. And it's going to be pretty simple. Confirm on my email, of course, so I can actually post a job. So as you can see, thanks for your confirming your email. As you can see, if you need any help, you can contact the customer service. And for me, I'm just going to remove that at the moment, and here we'll have to fill the job requirements and other stuff. As you can see, we'll start with job information. So job title for me, as again, I'm just going to put random stuff, but for you, make sure to enter everything accurate. Here for the application, it's gonna be just cis, or we'll just add whatever it is here. And of course, here the category. So suggested category based on your job title. So accounting, science, technology, government, defense, information, communication, technology, or choose a different category. From here, you can choose whatever category. As an example, I'm just going to choose sports. Why not? And of course, let's just choose as an example, yeah, coaching instructions. And here we can go and check or look or choose what is the work type. Is it a so as an example, as you choose the work type as an example, if it's full-time, part-time, contract, or casual, choose whatever suits you. Then you'll have to choose or change the pay details. So if you're going to pay hourly rate or monthly salary or annual salary or annual plus commissions if you want to. So choose whatever you want, salary, which salary you would like to pay. And here you will have to enter the pay range. So as you can see, enter range to offer candidates or candidates. If pay is an exact amount, enter the same in both fields. So the currency, enter whatever currency you'd like to work with. It may be, as an example, USD or OD. So choose whatever suits you. Then here you'll have to enter the minimum pay. As an example, if you want it to be the same as the pay type, so or whatever you're going to pay monthly, so make sure to type the same from to, or if you are going to vary it, if you are going to add some commissions or something, so you can, as an example, you're going to do 200 and here as an example 320 or something like that. And if, as you can see, if the range is too wide, make minimum at least 228 or maximum at most 280, so it can be accurate a bit. So let's just do 230, and as you can see, you can hide the salary on the ad if you want to, and if you can enable it. And of course, if you hide it, as you can see, are you sure ads that allow or that shows the salary can help get over 15 more applicants than ads that don't. So choose whatever suits you, then simply click on continue, or you can save it as draft for now. So if you click on continue, of course, this will take you to the other step, which is the odd type. So as you can see, there's the classic, the premium, or concierge. So every one of them comes with its own features. So make sure to select whatever suits you, then simply click on continue. Of course, you'll have to go on the right. Other details about your job in descriptions, then even you'll have to click on or manage the job. It's going to be pretty simple. You can do it by your own, and as I said, it's going to be pretty simple. So from you, of course, select a plan, go and write description for it and manage it, and you will be good to go. So and there you have it. That's a tutorial or a step-by-step guide on how to post a job on Seek.com in 2023. Of course, by following these steps, you can effectively attract qualified candidates and streamline your hiring process. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Also, if you have any questions or suggestions, leave them down below in the comments section. And of course, wishing you success in finding the perfect candidates for your job posting on Seek.com. And I'll see you in next video. So thanks for watching.